Limiting beliefs are insidious whispers in our minds. They tell us we're not good enough, smart enough, or brave enough. These beliefs can hold us back from pursuing our dreams. They can sabotage our efforts and keep us stuck in cycles of self-doubt. We often accept these beliefs as truths, unknowingly allowing them to shape our reality. It's time to break free from these chains and unlock our true potential. We deserve to live a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Recognizing the existence of limiting beliefs is the first step towards liberation. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and empowerment. You are capable of achieving amazing things. Limiting beliefs can manifest in various areas of our lives. They might affect our careers, relationships, or personal growth. We might believe we're not worthy of love or success. We might fear failure and avoid taking risks. These beliefs create invisible barriers that prevent us from reaching our full potential. It's important to remember that these beliefs are not facts. They are simply thoughts we've repeated to ourselves over time. By challenging these thoughts, we can begin to dismantle the barriers they create. Start by acknowledging the presence of limiting beliefs in your life. Take a moment to reflect on the thoughts that hold you back. These beliefs can make us feel small and inadequate. They can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. We might compare ourselves to others and feel like we're falling short. It's crucial to remember that everyone has their own unique journey. Comparing ourselves to others is a recipe for unhappiness. Instead, we should focus on our own progress and celebrate our achievements. Acknowledge the courage it takes to confront limiting beliefs. Embrace the process of growth and transformation. You are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Breaking free from limiting beliefs requires courage and self-compassion. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about challenging the stories we tell ourselves and rewriting them with truth and positivity. It's about recognizing our inherent worth and embracing our potential. We are all capable of achieving great things. We just need to believe in ourselves. Start by identifying the limiting beliefs that hold you back. Challenge them with evidence and affirmations. Replace them with empowering beliefs that support your growth. Limiting beliefs often stem from past experiences, particularly those that were challenging or painful. Childhood experiences, societal messages, and cultural norms can all contribute to the formation of these beliefs. Negative experiences can leave deep imprints on our subconscious minds. We might develop beliefs about ourselves and the world based on these experiences. For example, if we were constantly criticized as children, we might develop a belief that we're not good enough. It's important to understand that these beliefs are not necessarily reflections of reality, they are simply interpretations of past events. Trauma and adversity can shape our beliefs about safety, trust, and vulnerability. We might develop beliefs that the world is a dangerous place or that we're not capable of handling challenges. These beliefs can lead to avoidance behaviors and prevent us from taking risks. It's important to acknowledge the impact of past experiences on our beliefs. Healing from trauma and adversity is a crucial step in breaking free from limiting beliefs. Seek support from therapists, counselors, or support groups. You are not alone in this journey. These beliefs can affect our relationships, careers, and overall well-being. They can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors and prevent us from pursuing our goals. We might avoid opportunities because we believe we're not capable of succeeding. We might stay in unhealthy relationships because we believe we don't deserve better. Recognizing the impact of limiting beliefs on our lives is essential for creating positive change. Take a moment to reflect on how these beliefs have affected your choices and behaviors. Understanding the origins of limiting beliefs is the first step towards dismantling them. By exploring our past experiences, we can gain insights into how these beliefs were formed. This understanding can empower us to challenge and rewrite these beliefs. It's important to approach this process with self-compassion and patience. Healing takes time and effort. Be kind to yourself throughout this journey. You are worthy of love, healing, and transformation. Identifying limiting beliefs requires self-reflection and honesty. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. What negative thoughts or assumptions do you frequently repeat to yourself? Notice the stories you tell yourself about your abilities, your worth, and your potential. Journaling can be a powerful tool for uncovering these beliefs. Write down your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Look for patterns and recurring themes. The more aware you become of your inner critic, the easier it will be to challenge its validity. Once you've identified a limiting belief, examine the evidence that supports it. Is there concrete proof that this belief is true? Or is it based on assumptions and interpretations? Often you'll find that there's little or no evidence to support the belief. Challenge the belief by asking yourself, is this thought helpful? Does this belief serve me? What would happen if I let go of this belief? Challenging the validity of limiting beliefs is a crucial step in breaking free from their grip. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Instead of telling yourself I'm not good enough, try saying I am worthy and capable. Instead of thinking I'm going to fail, think I am resilient and resourceful. Repeat these affirmations regularly, even if you don't fully believe them at first. Over time, these positive affirmations will begin to rewire your brain and create new neural pathways. Affirmations are powerful tools for transforming your mindset. Taking consistent action in alignment with your new beliefs is essential for solidifying the change. Don't just think differently, act differently. Step outside your comfort zone and challenge yourself to do things that previously seemed impossible. Each small step you take will reinforce your new beliefs and build your confidence. Action is the key to creating lasting change. Embrace the journey of growth and transformation. Cultivating self-awareness is crucial for maintaining positive change. Regularly check in with yourself and notice any negative thoughts or self-defeating behaviors that might creep in. Be mindful of your inner critic and challenge its voice. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth. It allows you to identify and address any limiting beliefs that might resurface. The more aware you are of your thoughts and feelings, the more empowered you become to choose your responses. Practice self-compassion throughout this journey. Be kind to yourself, especially when you make mistakes or experience setbacks. Remember that growth is not linear. There will be ups and downs along the way. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a dear friend. Self-compassion is essential for navigating challenges and staying resilient. It allows you to embrace your imperfections and learn from your experiences. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with people who believe in you and encourage your growth. Share your journey with trusted friends, family members, or a therapist. Having a support system can make all the difference in overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Seek out communities that uplift and inspire you. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can reinforce your empowering beliefs and help you stay on track. You are worthy of love, happiness, and success. You have unique talents and gifts to share with the world. Embrace your potential and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. The journey of personal growth is ongoing. Continue to learn, grow, and evolve. Celebrate your progress and embrace the beautiful, messy, and imperfect journey of life. You are capable of achieving amazing things.